Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're going to be making a whole chicken start to finish in the Instant Pot using our air fryer lid. That is right, we're going to be using the air fryer lid to finish it off and crisp it on top. So it's one pot, one item, and we're gonna finish it off in that Instant Pot air fryer lid. And this is what it looks like, you guys. It is nice and crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. The steam is still coming up, so it's still resting, but it looks and smells amazing in here, you guys. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make that. This is about a 5-pound whole chicken, and I will show you how to make that. Before I do, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more Instant Pot air fryer lid recipes coming to you guys every single week. And if you could let me know in the comments, what do you eat with the whole chicken? Do you use your whole chicken and use it for a fettuccine, or do you shred it? What do you do with your whole chicken when you make it? I want to know your recipes. Let me know in the comments, you guys. But before we do get started again, if you're interested in any of the items that I use in the video, be sure to check the description box, and I will also have the ingredient list that I used for the whole chicken. But let's go ahead and dive right in to making a whole chicken in the Instant Pot. Okay, so for the seasoning for the chicken, we're going to need 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of dried thyme. We're also going to need 3/4 teaspoons of garlic powder and half a teaspoon of pepper. Now to get started, we're just going to go ahead and place them all into one bowl. Let's see. Okay. And then we're going to mix them together. Okay. So we're going to mix them together and bring out the chicken so that we can rub it onto the chicken. Okay. So just going to get my gloves on here. Now we have our seasoning. We're going to take our whole chicken and just rub all of our seasoning onto it, okay? I'm going to get in there really well. Okay. And rub it all around our chicken here. Just rub it all the way into the chicken. Just a dry rub. And you can go under the skin. You can do inside too. Just rub that in there. And I'm going to do this for all of the chicken. And then we can go ahead and place it in the basket and start the pressure cooking. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put our water in first. We're going to do 2 cups of water. Okay. Then we can place our chicken in the basket. And this is about a it's almost 5 pounds. About a 5-pound chicken. So it's 4.89 pounds. So almost a 5-pound. It fits snug in the Instant Pot basket. But we want it in the basket this time. So we will put our lid. Let me make sure my sealing. Alright, we want to set it to sealing. We're going to pressure cook. And we're going to go all the way up to 40 minutes. Okay? We're going to pressure cook on high pressure for 40 minutes, and then we'll be back and we can air crisp the top of the whole chicken. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and release the pressure. And we'll be back. Okay, let's go ahead and remove the lid. All right. That is our chicken. We're gonna go ahead and pull the tray out and dump the liquid, and then we can put on our air fryer lid. Okay, so let's go ahead and unplug our Instant Pot. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our air fryer lid. Oh, I'm sorry, we're not going to add our air fryer lid. We need to spray with oil. I'm using grapeseed oil, and this is just a oil sprayer that I purchased on Amazon, and I'll have the link in the description. You just want to give it a good spray all around so it can crisp right up. Okay. Okay, let's do that again. Air fry for 400 degrees at 15 minutes. Hit start, and we'll be back when that 15 minutes is complete. Alright, so we're approaching the finish time. We'll hit cancel to shut the lid off. I'm going to go ahead and unplug here. Put it on my base. Okay. And look at that. It is perfectly crispy. You can hear it. Oh, I already tore the skin a little bit. Alright, let's go ahead and bring it out so we can take a closer look. Alright guys, so I had pulled out the chicken of the Instant Pot, and as you can see, there were some areas I had some difficulty pulling it out, but that is our whole chicken in the Instant Pot air fryer lid. Let's go ahead and cut right into it. I want to show you guys. It's been resting a couple minutes. And look at that, nice and moist on the inside, crispy on the outside. Look at that. You can even see the juices coming down. So it's still resting, but let's go ahead and get a piece. It is really, really good, you guys. Definitely, I love the part that it's one pot. You no longer have to bake it in the oven or stick it in the air fryer. Now we have the air fryer lid, which is very convenient. So you just stick it on top of the Instant Pot and you can finish it off. There's no extra dish. And it's Instant Pot. I mean, what's there not to love about that? So this is how you would make a whole chicken in the Instant Pot using the air fryer lid. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I would really appreciate it. It helps me with the YouTube algorithm just to get my videos out there for you guys. And let me know in the comments what you guys like to eat with your chicken, or what do you guys use your whole chicken for? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, you guys have a great night, and thank you for watching.